What gets wiped away is not just dirt or residue. It's a sign that something happened here. Something was fixed. Something was pitched or shared or set right. Some marks disappear with a single pass. Others take a little more care. But where work happens, it's never just about cleaning. It's about keeping pace with the day and the people moving through it. This is the rhythm that holds the day together, letting life happen again and again. Whiteball helps you tackle whatever the day leaves behind, so tomorrow is ready for what comes next. A quiet reset. A moment of pride. Whiteball, in rhythm with every day.